Hello everyone, this is the quick tutorial on how to upload your world file that you have created your builds in. For those of you who do not know how to do this and are asking to become a builder on my server. For those of you on Macs, follow this tutorial and later onwards I will do the Windows tutorial. Sadly I'll have to do it on the Mac, so you'll only be guided by words, which hopefully you can understand. If you don't, send me a message in-game and I'll help you out. Alright, for those of you on Macs, first open up your Finder, which I'll open up a fresh one, and hold Command, Shift, and G all at the same time, and you will see something like this. No, yours will probably be empty, so I'll post this in the description, so you may copy it, and once you've pasted it, click on Go. Head to your Minecraft section, which is this for me. For those of you who don't use mods, which you probably don't if you're looking at this tutorial, you'll probably not have all of these Forge mod loaders and all of these output files. But what you really need to go into is the save files and find the name of the world you have built it in. Let me just delete this quickly. So for example, let's say you built it on this one, where all of the things that you want us to examine are at. Then once you've found that folder, make sure to compress it into a .zip file, as this will be important later onwards once you're uploading it. And move it to somewhere more accessible, like the desktop, for example. And after that, you don't require this anymore. And once that is done, head into Safari or whatever browser you use. And as you can see, I've already loaded mine up, but what you must do is head into file hosters such as Mediafire or any other that you know, but I suggest Mediafire if you're inexperienced in this. And let me sign out. What you should see is this page. Once you see this page, since you're probably a first timer here, click on sign up. And head into basics. Fill out the details here. Up to you if you want to put in your real details or not. I won't see them no matter what you do. And agree and create your account. As I've already created mine, I'll quickly log into mine. And now that I've logged in, let's continue this tutorial. Once you've logged in, you should find an upload folder up here. So make sure to upload from your computer, which is U for me. And you should get this page. Click on the plus to add the file. Head into wherever you saved it, whereas for me is at the desktop. And Mining Madness. Oh, not all of that. And drag it over or click choose, whichever you prefer. Also, you didn't have to click plus if you've already had it in your Finder. You could have just came here, dragged some random file over, and dropped it in. That's also another way you could have done it. Up to you which one you want to choose. And once it's here, click begin upload. It'll upload for a while, depending on how big your file is. Shouldn't take too much time. And then a link will come up over here to ask to show to people, and you can send this link to me on my Skype here. My username is bcatley2, so find me on there and add me as a friend, and I'll come across to you as quickly as I can, as long as I'm free. and I'll add you. And once that's done, send me the link over there, and me and the staff will take a look at the builds you have made, and if you are hopefully a sufficient builder, you can become one of the new builders for our server. Okay, thank you very much for watching this one. Head over to the next part if you are looking for how to do it via Windows. Alright, this is the part for all of you Windows users. So if you are using Windows, make sure to be watching this one. If not, head to the start of the video for all of you Mac users. So for Windows users, open up your run.exe, or sorry, just your plain run, and find that, and post this over here. And once you've posted that in your run file, maybe run search bar, it should show up something like, for those of us Mac users, something such as this, which will have all of your programs installed. You can also do this by going to your browser, one of your files, like Finder for us, my computer, or whatever you use, and typing it up there and pasting this as well, which I'll put in the description. And once you're finally here, look for your Minecraft folder or .minecraft folder, depending on what it shows for you, which should lead you to something like this. Once you are here, scroll down to the saves, find the save that you have built on that you want to show us, all of your builds. For us, I'll use the example I've already made for the that. If I backtrack a bit, I had to pause the video as of the racket that my family has been making. Alright, so once you're here, click on the folder where you have made it. So I'll pretend it's Mining Madness as my example. Make sure to compress it and make it into a .zip, which is already here for me somewhere. And once it's into a .zip, put it in your desktop or wherever you find easy to access, so that's easier to get to for later onwards, which is where I had put mine, if I can still find it. Here. And go to your Safari, or for you guys it'll probably be Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever else that's out there that I may not know of. And head into something like Mediafire or Dropbox, depending on which one you guys want to use. If you're new to these type of things, I suggest Mediafire, and sign up to them, and make sure to click the free one. Once you've signed up, you should see a page something like this, of course with your own username. Then click Upload from computer, and drag and drop the file into here, or you can also do it this way. Find wherever it is, and also click it from there, and click Begin to Upload. Depending on how big your file is, it should take between 10 to 15 minutes, hopefully less than that, if you have a good internet. And once it's uploaded, you should receive a link here, which you can post to me on Skype or on the forums. If you don't want other people to see it, then I suggest my Skype, which is here, and bcatley2 is my username, so make sure to add me here, and I'll get to seeing your world as quickly as possible with my admins. And hopefully, if everyone agrees that you are a fairly sufficient builder, you can become one of the new builders in our server. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully it's helped you out. Goodbye.